Thanks for joining this week at Dezignworks TV. This week we're going to talk about the new auto align mesh. So in the Dezignworks scan toolbar, we're going to select scan, and we're going to go ahead and scan this part. You can change the triangle sizes. You also can merge data and load data. So we're going to leave this at default 30 thousandths triangles, and we're going to scan our little gnome. So the goal here is to scan and overlap at least 50% of the part that you're going to align. So we're going to scan side one, and for this example we're actually going to move the part, because in real cases you either have the part upside down or moving it. But again, the key to your success is the amount of overlap. So again, we're just scanning this, and you can change the triangle size during the process or after the process. You can change the filtering on the fly, whatever you want to do to help improve the scan. Notice this part has a lot of texture on it. It actually helps the auto alignment and merging two scans. So now we're going to actually move the part. We'll actually save it, and we'll actually save the laser data, and then we'll clear it. So we're going to actually bump it down the triangle size, and we'll save our laser data. This is the data coming directly out of the scanner. And we'll go ahead and clear it and clear the screen, and we'll actually move it and scan the other side of it. So the goal of this is to show you how you can scan, on top of the part, under the part, whatever. In reality, you could have scanned this whole part in one, but to show you this feature, we're going to move it and scan both sides. So now the part's been moved. We're going to leave the settings. We're actually simply going to say scan. You actually pull the trigger on the device that you're going to scan with and start scanning. So you can see now we're scanning the back of this, but again, to ensure the best success, you want to overlap probably at least 50% of this that was on the front. In this case, we're not trying to scan it, super thoroughly. It's more to show you how the command works and for training. We'll go ahead and scan on the other side, because here's the key. The first part that we scanned a lot on this side. We're going to scan it so the mathematics can pick up data on both sides. Once we think we have enough data, we'll go ahead and use the merge scan data. You can rotate it around and look at it. We'll go ahead now and we'll reduce the triangle size to help improve the mathematical process. When we load the other half, it'll actually make it match this. So there's the second scan we did. We're going to say go ahead and load a second one, and then we'll merge. So you go select the one you scanned previously, and we'll load that one in. A new window is going to appear, and if it's the first time you used it, you're going to actually drag it, make it fill your screen, and you can independently rotate these around. So the F1 key actually turns on the keys that you may need for making changes. So if you use the 1 key, it'll independently rotate one of the meshes. You can look at it, rotate it where you want it. If you hit the 1 key again, it locks it. Hit the 2 key, shows you the other side we rotated around. So you can see we have both scans there now. Once you get it where you want, you hit the 2 key, locks it back in, and then we'll go ahead and we're going to hit the A key for the auto alignment. This will mathematically align this really, really good on the first try. If it's not as close as you want to hit the A key again, and it'll rerun it. So you can see it's very fast and efficient. There's 2 meshes there with lots of detail. In the window, it tells you the processing, everything it's doing. And in a few seconds, it'll be done. And in the lower right-hand corner, it's going to tell you the standard deviation, the min and max. So there's your deviation. Puts it together very accurate. Again, if you wanted to increase accuracy, you'd run the A key again. Green checkbox, you're back in the Solidworks, and your part's complete. So rotate it around, you can see how good it aligned it. We appreciate your time and have a great day.